To update nameservers on GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all your registered domains. Select the domain you want to update and click on the DNS button next to it. In the DNS Manager page, scroll down to the Nameservers section. Click on the Edit button to change the nameservers. You will be given two options: either to use GoDaddy's default nameservers or to enter custom nameservers. If you want to use custom nameservers, select the Enter Custom Nameservers option and enter the new nameservers provided by your hosting provider or your new DNS service. Make sure to enter the nameservers correctly, as incorrect nameservers can cause your website to go offline. Once you have entered the new nameservers, click on the Save button to save the changes. It may take some time for the changes to propagate globally, so be patient and allow up to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. It is also important to note that updating nameservers will not affect your domain registration, but it will change where your domain is pointing to. Always double-check the nameservers with your hosting provider or DNS service to ensure you are entering the correct information. By following these steps, you can easily update your nameservers on GoDaddy and point your domain to a new hosting provider or DNS service. Remember to always keep a record of your nameservers and to test your website after updating the nameservers to ensure it is working correctly.